Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done 6th A exercise, substitution method of simultaneous linear equation of class 9th. So today we will do 6th B exercise, second method, elimination by equating coefficient. So there are 4 steps to solve this equation by equating coefficient. First step is multiply one or both equation by suitable number so that x और y become numerically equal. मीन्स दो इक्वेशन जो दी होंगे उनमें से किसी भी वेरिएबल को न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल करना है, जो उनके कोफिशिएंट दिए होते हैं उनको इक्वल करना है। जैसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जैसे दे रखा है, दो इक्वेशन दे रखी है 9x माइनस 2y इक्वल टू 13 एंड 7x माइनस 3y इक्वल टू 0. Here coefficient of x is 9 in first equation and coefficient of x is 7 in second equation. So we have to equate these coefficient of any variable. We can equate coefficient of x or we can equate coefficient of y also. Equate any coefficient of any variable. So this is first step. After that, add or subtract both equations. Add both equation or subtract one equation from other equation by which we cancel the term which numerically equal. मतलब दोनों इक्वेशन को ऐड कर सकते हो या फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो एक इक्वेशन को दूसरी इक्वेशन में से, जिससे कि जो न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल किया है वेरिएबल वो दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएं जिससे. ठीक है, मतलब हमें कैंसिल करना है उनको. अगर दोनों सेम साइन के दे रखे हैं तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट. और अगर दोनों अपोजिट साइन के दे रखे हैं, एक प्लस एक माइनस दे रखा है, तो क्या करेंगे, उनको ऐड, ताकि वो कैंसिल हो जाएं. देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप 3, solve resulting equation to find the value of one variable. After adding or subtracting both equation, then resulting equation, solve this resulting equation by which we can find the value of one variable. And in fourth step, put this value of variable in any of one equation. From there you can find the value of other unknown variable. So these are the steps to solve all questions by equating coefficients. So now come to the exercise. Question number first. In question number first, 13 plus 2y equal to 9x, this is first equation, and 3y equal to 7, this is second equation. So first of all, simplify these equation by transfer variables to one side and constant to other side. So 9x transfer 2y to right hand side, 9x minus 2y equal to 13. So this is first equation. And transfer 3y to right hand side, it will become 7x minus 3y equal to 0. This is second equation. So now we have two equations, 9x minus 2y equal to 13, 7x minus 3y equal to 0. So now we have to equate coefficient of y. Let me equate coefficient of y. In first equation, coefficient of y is 2. And in second equation, coefficient of y is 3. So to equate coefficient, we have to multiply equation first by 3 and equation second by 2. Multiply equation first by the coefficient of y from second equation and equation second multiply by the coefficient of y in first equation, by which they will become equal, numerically equal. So equation first multiply by 3, 3 9 ja 27x, 3 2 ja 6y minus 6y, 3 into 13 39. And in second equation, 2 multiply by 7x is equal to 14x, 2 multiply by minus 3y equal to minus 6y, 2 multiply by 0 is 0. Now check the sign of y in both equation. If both are same, then you have to subtract equation second from first, subtract equation 1 from other equation. Or if both sign are different, means both are one positive and one negative, then you have to add both equation. So now we have both same sign, so subtract equation second from first. If we subtract this equation, then sign will change. So it was positive, so now it will become negative. Minus plus 0 is 0. So now 27x minus 14x is equal to 13x. Minus 6y 2 plus 6y cancel, and 39 minus 0 is 39. Then x is equal to 39 by 13. It will become 3. So x equal to 3. This is third step. And now put this value of x in any equation, in first equation, or you can put in second equation. So we will put it in second equation. 7x minus 3y equal to 0. Then put x equal to 3. 7 multiplied by 3 minus 3y equal to 0. 7 3s are 21, and transfer minus 3y to right hand side, so it will become positive. And then y is equal to 21 by 3, 7. So x equal to 3, x equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. This is your answer. So now come to the ninth question. All question of this exercise are same, so you can do yourself. Ninth question. 13x plus 11y equal to 70, and second equation is 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. If you have this type of equation, this type means if the coefficient of x in first equation and coefficient of y in second equation is same, and coefficient of y in first equation and coefficient of x in second equation are same, then how you can solve? First of all, add both equation. By adding both equation, you will get 13 plus 11, 24x plus 11 plus 13, 24y equal to 70 plus 74, 144. 24 common, then x plus y equal to 144, then x plus y is equal to 144 divided by 24. You will get 6. X plus y is equal to 6. This is third equation. Let this is third equation. And first you have to add both equation, and then you have to subtract second equation from first. 13x plus 11y equal to 70 and 11x plus 13y equal to 74. मतलब अगर इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है कि फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में जो x का कोफिशिएंट है वो सेकंड इक्वेशन में क्या है y का कोफिशिएंट, एंड जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में y का कोफिशिएंट है वो सेकंड इक्वेशन में क्या है x का कोफिशिएंट. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, पहले तो दोनों को एक बार प्लस करना है, एक इक्वेशन वहाँ से आएगी, फिर माइनस करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो एक इक्वेशन वहाँ से आएगी, फिर उन दोनों इक्वेशंस को सोल्व करना है बाय इक्वेटिंग कोफिशिएंट्स. सो 13 माइनस, if we subtract second equation then sign will change. So it was positive, so positive to negative, and positive to negative, and this will become negative. 13 minus 11 is equal to 2x, 11 minus 13 is equal to minus 2y, and 70 minus 74 is equal to minus 4. So now take 2 common, then x minus y equal to minus 4, then x minus y is equal to minus 4 by 2, 2 2 is 4, then x minus y is equal to minus 2. It will become fourth equation. So now you have two equation, equation third and equation fourth. By solving these two equation, equation third and fourth, you will get value of x and y. So third equation is x plus y is equal to 6, and fourth equation is x minus y is equal to minus 2. So coefficient of both x and y are already equal, so you have to just adding or subtracting. So if you add, by adding both equation, y minus y cancel, then x plus x is equal to 2x, and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. If you add, don't change sign of second equation, and if you subtract, then change the sign of second equation, all sign of second equation. X equal to 4 by 2, then 2 2 ja 4, x is equal to 2, and then put this value of x in third equation. In third equation, x plus y is equal to 6, x is equal to 2 plus y is equal to 6, then y is equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So this is answer, x equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. This is your answer. Now come to question number 12. Question number 12. Here also there are two equations, 10y equal to 7x minus 4 and 12x plus 18y equal to 1. Two equations. So first of all, simplify by taking all variables to one side and constant to other side. So 10y to right hand side, 7x minus 10y, and minus 4 goes to left hand side, it will become positive. Then 7x minus 10y equal to 4, this is first equation. Or 12x plus 18y equal to 1, this is second equation. So solve this equation by equating coefficient. 12x plus 18y equal to 1, 7x minus 10y equal to 4. So equate the coefficient of x. Let me equate the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 12 and coefficient of x is 7 in second equation. So multiply equation first by coefficient of x in second equation, means by 7. So equation first multiply by 7 and equation second multiply by 12. So by multiplying 7 multiply by 12, 84x, plus 18y multiply by 7, 126y, equal to 1 multiply by 7, 7, and equation second multiply by 12. So 12 7 ja 84x, 12 into minus 10 minus 120y, 12 into 4 48. Now check the sign of equal terms, means 84x 84x. If both are positive, then you have to subtract equation second, and if one is positive and one is negative, then you have to add. So both are positive, so you have to subtract. It was positive, then it will become negative, and this was minus, so it will become positive. It was positive, it will become negative. So साइन चेंज करने मतलब सेकेंड इक्वेशन के, अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो तो माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा और प्लस माइनस. नाउ 84x माइनस 84x, तो 84 माइनस 84 कैंसिल. देन 126 plus 120, both are positive, so add them. 126 plus 120, 246y, equal to 7 minus 48. 7 minus 48 is equal to minus 41. Then find y. Y is equal to minus 41 divided by 246. Cancel it. 41 1 ja 41, 6 ja 246. So minus 1 by 6. This is the value of y. And now put this value of y in equation first. In equation first was 7x minus 10y equal to 4. So put this value, 7x minus 10 into y is equal to minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6. Cancel. 2 3 ja 2 5 ja. Minus minus plus 5 by 3. So plus 5 by 3 equal to 4. Now 7x is equal to 4 minus 5 by 3. By taking LCM, solve it. LCM is 3. 4 3 are 12 minus 5, 7 by 3. Then x is equal to 7 by 3 divided by 7. 7 to 7 cancel. So you will get 1 by 3. X equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to 1 by 6. So in 12th question, one more thing you have to find. After getting the value of x and y, you have to find the value of one more term, 4x plus 6y. You have to find the value of 4x minus 6 plus 6y and 8y minus x. So you have to just put the value of x and y in this equation for getting this value. So 4x plus 6y. Put the value of x and y. 4 multiplied by 1 by 3, x equal to 1 by 3, plus 6 multiplied by minus 1 by 6. 4 by 3, 6 to 6 cancel, minus 1 left, so minus 1, LCM 3, 4 minus 3, 1 by 3. So value of 4x plus 6y equal to 1 by 3. 4x plus 6y is equal to this. So 4x plus 6y equal to 1 by 3. And now find 8y minus x. Put again value of y and x. Y equal to minus 1 by 6. So 8 multiplied by minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So 2 3 ja 2 4 ja. 4 into minus 1 minus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 3, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So minus 5 by 3. This is the value of 8y minus x. 8y minus x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Now question number 15. Question number 15 is, first equation is 10% of x, 10% of x plus 20% of y equal to 24. This is first equation. So first of all you have to simplify this equation by putting 100 in the place of percent. So 10 divided by 100, 10% means 10 by 100 into x plus 20 by 100 into y equal to 24. So 10 by 100 cancel it, 0 to 0 cancel, 1 by 10 x plus 21 ja 25 ja, 1 by 5 y equal to 24. By taking LCM, 10 is the LCM, so 10 divided by 10 1, so 1 into 1x x plus 10 divided by 5 2, 2 into y 2y equal to 24. So by cross multiply, 10 multiplied by 24 equal to 240. So x plus 2y equal to 240. This is first equation. And second equation is 3x minus y equal to 20. So solve these two equations by equating coefficient. Here coefficient of y in first equation is 2 and coefficient of y in second equation is 1. So you just multiply second equation by 2. No need to multiply equation of first from any variable. If you equate the coefficient of x, then you have to multiply equation first by 3 and no need to multiply equation second by any number. So x plus 2y equal to 240 and multiply equation second by 2. So x plus 2y equal to 240 and 2 multiplied by 3x 6x, 2 multiplied by minus y minus 2y equal to 20 into 2 40. So check the sign of equal terms 2y and 2y. It was positive and it is negative. Now if both are of opposite sign, then you have to add by adding both equations. So 2y minus 2y cancel and x plus 6x 7x equal to 240 plus 40 280. Then x is equal to 240 divided by 7 equal to 40. So x is equal to 40. And now put this value of x in equation first. Equation first was x plus 2y equal to 240. Then x is equal to 40. Then 40 plus 2y equal to 240 and 2y is equal to 240 minus 40 equal to 200. Then y is equal to 200 divided by 2 equal to 100. And value of x is 40 and y is 100. This is your answer. Now come to question number 16. Question number 16 is value of mx minus ny is 3 when x equal to 5 and y equal to -6. मतलब mx माइनस ny की वैल्यू 3 है जब x की वैल्यू 5 हो और y की वैल्यू 6. तो करो सिंप्लीफाई. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y इन दिस इक्वेशन. mx माइनस ny इक्वल टू 3. सो x इज इक्वल टू 5. सो इट विल बिकम 5m माइनस ny. y इज इक्वल टू 6, not -6. So 6n equal to 3. So it will become first equation. And then value of mx minus ny is 8 when x equal to 6 and y equal to 5. mx माइनस ny की वैल्यू 3 है जब x की वैल्यू 5 हो और y की वैल्यू 6 हो, और mx माइनस ny की वैल्यू 8 होगी जब x की वैल्यू 6 हो जाए और y की वैल्यू 5 हो जाए. देन पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y इन दिस इक्वेशन. x इक्वल टू 6, देन इट विल बिकम 6m माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 5, 5n इक्वल टू 8. सो दीज आर टू इक्वेशन विच यू हैव टू सोल्व बाय इक्वेटिंग कोफिशिएंट. 5m minus 6n equal to 3, 6m minus 5n equal to 8. So by equating the coefficient of n, in first equation coefficient of n is 6, in second equation coefficient is 5. So you have to multiply equation first by 5 and equation second by 6. So by multiplying, equation first will become 5 into 5m, 25m, minus 6n multiplied by 5, 30n, 3 into 5, 15. And second equation will become 6 into 6m, 36m, minus 5n into 6, 30n, equal to 8 multiplied by 6, 48. Now check the sign of equal term. 30n and 30n both are negative. So if both are of same sign, then you have to subtract equation second from first. So by subtracting, you have to change the whole sign of in second equation. So it was positive, it will become negative, negative, positive, and this will become negative. So minus 30n plus 30n cancelled, and 25m minus 36m, 25 minus 36 equal to minus 11m, equal to 15 minus 48 equal to minus 33, minus 2 minus cancel, then m is equal to 33 divided by 11 equal to 3. So m equal to 3. Now put m equal to 3 in equation first, and equation first was 5m minus 6n equal to 3. Put the value of m equal to 3. 5 into 3 minus 6n equal to 3. 5 3 is 15, minus transfer 3 to left hand side and 6n to right hand side. So 6 minus 6n will become positive, 3 will become negative. So 15 minus 3 equal to 12 and 6n. Then n is equal to 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. So n is equal to 2 and m is equal to 3. This is your answer. So friends, this exercise is complete. So tomorrow you have to solve remaining question of this exercise. I hope you will do.